Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, welcome you again on AppSex online support program. Class 8, week 14, subject chemistry, prepared by Anisun Nisa. Textbook chemistry, page number 68 to 72, unit number 4, structure of molecules. Topic, covalent bond. Resources required, textbook, internet connection. Following video will help the students in understanding the concept. It is advised that student must watch the video under complete parental supervision. Objectives. By the end of the lesson, students will be able to know about covalent bonds, types of covalent bonds, that is single covalent bond, double covalent bond, triple covalent bond, and about shared pair of electrons and lone pair of electrons. Previous knowledge. In the preceding section, you have learned about formation of ionic bond between two atoms. That what is ionic bond? Ionic bond is formed by the complete transfer of electrons from one atom to another atom. Ionic compounds such as sodium chloride. However, some compounds are not ionic. These compounds are made up of non-metal atoms. Non-metal atoms have high ionization energies, therefore they don't lose electrons. Non-metals tend to share electrons among themselves or with other non-metals. Dear students, our new topic is covalent bond. What is covalent bond? A covalent bond is formed by the mutual sharing of electrons between two atoms. As we have learned in the previous lecture that ionic bond is the complete transfer of electron from one atom to another atom. Now here, what is covalent bond? A covalent bond is not the complete transfer of electrons. In a covalent bond, the mutual sharing of electrons between two atoms occurs. These electron pairs are known as shared pair electrons or bonding pair of electrons, and the stable balance of attractive and repulsive forces between atoms when they share electron is known as covalent bonding. Now dear students, how covalent bond is formed? A covalent bond forms when the difference between the electronegativities of two atoms is too small for an electron transfer to occur to form ions. Shared electrons located in the space between the two nuclei are called bonding electrons. The bonded pair is the glue that holds the atoms together in a molecular unit. Types of covalent bonds. There are three types of covalent bonds: single covalent bond, double covalent bond, and triple covalent bond. What is single covalent bond? Single bonds. A single bond is formed when only one pair of electron is shared between the two participating atoms. What is meant by one pair of electron? One pair of electron means that one electron is shared by each participating atom. It is represented by one dash. For example, in this example, a single bond is formed between one hydrogen atom and another hydrogen atom by sharing one electron. Dear student, now what is double covalent bond? Double bonds. A double bond is formed when two pair of electrons are shared between the two participating atoms. It is represented by two dashes. For example, carbon dioxide molecule has one carbon atom with 6 valence electrons and two oxygen atom with 4 valence electrons. To complete its octet, carbon shares two of its valence electrons with one oxygen atom and two with another oxygen atom. Each oxygen atom shares its two electrons with carbon, and therefore there are two double bonds in carbon dioxide. Dear students, in this structure, the carbon has shared its two electrons with one oxygen atom and another two electrons with another oxygen atom to form a double covalent bond. Example number 2, covalent bond between oxygen molecule. Dear students, as you know that there are 6 electrons in the outermost shell of oxygen atom. Each oxygen atom shares two of its valence electron with another oxygen atom. So there is a double bond between the oxygen atoms. Dear students, now what is triple covalent bond? A triple bond is formed when three pairs of electrons are shared between the two participating atoms. Triple covalent bonds are represented by three dashes. For example, in the formation of nitrogen molecule, each nitrogen atom having 5 electrons provides 3 electrons to form 3 electron pairs for sharing. Thus, a triple bond is formed between the two nitrogen atoms. Now look at the structure. In this structure, each nitrogen atom shares its 3 electrons to form a triple covalent bond. Dear students, now come towards example 4.6. Drawing electron cross and dot structure for simple covalent molecule containing single covalent bond. Student, as I had told you in the previous lecture that what is cross and dot structure. Represent the electrons of one atom with cross and represent the electrons of another atom with dot. Cross and dot structure doesn't mean that both of these atoms have different electrons. It is just for the representation of electrons. Now come towards the question, which is number first, methane. CH4 indicates methane. Now look at the structure. Students, as you know that carbon have 4 electrons in its valence shell and it requires 4 electrons to complete its octet. An oxygen atom has 1 electron in its outermost shell and requires 1 electron to complete its doublet and become stable. So, one carbon atom will share 4 of its outermost electrons with 4 hydrogen atoms to form covalent bond. Now come towards water, H2O, which represents water. Look at the structure of water. Oxygen have 6 electrons in its outermost shell and hydrogen has 1 electron in its outermost shell. So, oxygen will share 2 of its electrons to each hydrogen atom and form a covalent bond. Example 4.6. Drawing electron cross and dot structure for molecules containing multiple bonds. Number first is CO2, which is carbon dioxide. Look at the structure of carbon dioxide. Carbon have 4 electrons in its valence shell and oxygen have 6 electrons in its valence shell. So carbon will share 2 of its valence electron with one oxygen and 2 of its valence electrons with another oxygen and form a double covalent bond. Now come towards HCN, which is hydrogen cyanide. Look at the structure of hydrogen cyanide. The carbon will share 1 of its valence electrons with hydrogen and 3 of its valence electrons with nitrogen to become stable. So, in hydrogen cyanide, a triple covalent bond will form. Recap. Students, in this tutorial we have learnt about what is covalent bond. A covalent bond is a mutual sharing of electrons between atoms. What are the types of covalent bonds? Which are single covalent bond, double covalent bond and triple covalent bond. What is lone pair and shared pair of electrons? Shared pair of electrons are that electrons which will participate in the bond formation, and the lone pair of electrons which do not participate in the bond formation. Dear students, I hope you will understand about the covalent bond and how covalent bond formation will take place. Now I am going to give you the written task, which is self-assessments of exercise 4.5, 4.6 and 4.7. Students, as I had told you that write your written work in your neat copies carefully and neat and clean. Dear students, Allah Hafiz and thank you.